in the south, you can tell. Look at all this awesome barbecuing going on. You know, just in front of Lowe's. Look at that. It'd be nice to stop at. But,
or not.
We're in traffic anyway. We are just outside of Dothan, Alabama. It's kind of cool water tower, huh, Wiley? Here we are, another Friday night. You know what, though? A Friday night in the motorhome, traveling down the road.
Nothing beats it.
Yeah. Better than a Friday night pretty much anywhere else, in my opinion. Well, here we are, sitting in probably one of the worst traffic jams. There's no shoulder on the left side of the road, and there's a little shoulder on the right side of the road, and there's people now, like, parked and getting out and stuff. But you can see the flashers way up ahead. That cop was on this shoulder, and he's actually stuck behind a car that zoomed down the highway.
Here comes another car
and
zooming down the shoulder.
He got stuck. Oh, another car's coming?
Yeah.
That's great. These people are not smart.
With their flashers on, which means he's going to get in front of us, probably.
We've already been sitting here for probably 20 minutes, like we're parked. Engine's running, but we're parked. And we looked on the Waze app, and this thing's backed up behind us, double the length that it already is. Oh yeah, there's somebody smart.
These people think they're going.
They're important. There's people out here like hanging out.
We're gonna have a whole third lane over here pretty soon of people who get stuck on the shoulder.
Idiots.
Now there's somebody stuck on the shoulder on the other side of the road.
There's no shoulder over there. Oh, over there. He's probably missing out, wanting to join the party over here. Well, it's been about, I don't know.
45 minutes?
45 minutes probably. As you can see, we're rolling again. No sign of anything.
Traffic just started like normal. Like nothing ever happened.
Hey, well, we're rolling along again. And,
Barely rolling.
Just ask her.
Show them how we're barely
This is how we're barely rolling here. We're just in, well, it's like 3:45 in the afternoon. We are going around Nashville right now on I-65. And, there's just a lot of traffic here in the middle of the day. So, Amy's got a new rule.
Travel around all cities at night. Big cities at night. No traffic. No jamming.
No traffic, no jamming.
Jamming only to the radio, not to the traffic.
Yes. We have made it to the beautiful red clay of Bowling Green, Kentucky. Look at that sunshine. Hi, Gracie. Hi, Lila. Well, it's one of those days. Issue with the motorhome. I am walking up to the front office. Sorry about the noise. Alright, that's better. So, I'm walking up to the front office right now to take this back to them because this thing just broke on ours. And it broke because we were cleaning out the black tank. Yeah, everybody's favorite tank. And got a little distracted for like probably a half an hour. And here's some water rushing. Well, we were cleaning it out, which means we were putting water into it to kind of clear it out and get it clean in there. And yeah, it was full and it flooded up inside the motorhome a little bit. Fortunately, a little bit. Unfortunately, it went through and now we have some soaked carpeting, and I've been calling all around. You know, we're nowhere near home. I'm calling all around all these places. Can you send a mobile unit out to clean our carpet and suck up all this water? No, ma'am. We're busy today. We don't have any openings. So, I don't know, my fourth, I think, phone call, finally got somebody. And they're going to send someone out in about an hour and a half, thank goodness. So right now I'm cutting across a site, but no one's here. So, it's legal. I really wanted to just be sitting in the sunshine today. So did Aimee. But here we are, dealing with something yet again. I don't know. We'll see. They said they'd come out in an hour and a half. Did I say that already? Hour and a half. We can wait an hour and a half. I just can't wait overnight. Oh, did I tell you that, by the way, that the hose, when we went to check on it, we could hear the rushing water. The hose pretty much exploded and covered Aimee in crap water. Yeah, that's the kind of day. I'm hoping we can turn it around here shortly. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Well, they didn't have what I wanted to get, but they had a better one of these that was straight instead of bent. My last one I was going to get that I showed you guys was curved, so this is better. I also decided to add on a night. So we're going to stay here one more night and hopefully make up for some of this hassle today. I had a little personal glitch yesterday, so our 2 days that we've been here, I've had something go on each day. That's why I'm saying I'm sick of it. But we'll go back, and knowing we're getting some help, at least, gonna resume the fun. Here I am again, after multiple trips. Finally got the sewer hose we need, and hopefully a solution. So, yes, always pay attention when you're emptying out sewer tanks and water tanks. Fortunately, what overflowed was only a little bit of black water and probably 80% clean fresh water. So it could have been a lot worse. And it isn't in that big of an area. When I get back, I'll show you. It isn't in that big of an area, but it still needs to be taken care of today. All right, we're gonna go check out, see what's going on here. I think she's making headway. We got some parts and pieces. This is the part that blew out earlier. So you're supposed to have, I don't know, 2 or 3, 4 of these notches, and 3 of them blew. We had to get a replacement piece. So,
well, I want to say one thing.
Yeah.
This is not the way to flush out your butt.
Do not overflow it. Just for fun.
It's now empty.
Oh, is it? Oh, show me again.
The whole of the tank is
look
now
at that.
empty. It was stuck at 2/3 until I thoroughly flushed it out.
You flushed it out and the whole motorhome out. All the carpeting. Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, she'll reach around there.
All right. Good. Getting it cleaned up. Let me show you. You can see. You can see where it's mushy. And then this is actually wet still. But I've been trying not to step on it. And there's a little bit. There's a little bit in here. Not too bad though. He's gonna suck that up too. These guys are awesome. Fresh air right there. Came out in a pinch, and I'm very glad. There he is. So So this thing gets into the pad. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Yeah. All right, he's got her mostly sucked dry. Look at that. Looks really good. It'll just have to dry out a little bit. And I think we're going to be in good business. It turns out they come to this campground and they actually clean RVs for people when they come to a local dog show here, I guess. Sounds like it's an annual thing, and there's a bunch of people who travel and to show their dogs, and many times they want their RVs cleaned like this when they're showing the dogs. So they were familiar with the campground and how to do this, which I was very grateful for. So this is Jeremy at Fresh Air Cleaning Services here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. They have been amazing. Thank you guys so much for saving the day today. Look at that, we're getting an Instacart delivery while the mobile cleaning guys. I got cash for you. All right. Use those guys if you need help with carpet cleaning in the RV. As you saw a minute ago, we also got an Instacart delivery right to the campsite. So we got some groceries delivered. Another RV journey adventure with Aimee and Aimee. Aren't you glad you're following along?
This was a pretty crappy one.
Mommy, I chewed a bone. If you hold it for me, I can chew it real good.
On Mommy.
Why is everybody on Mommy? Huh? Where are you going? Why don't you go up into my chair?
What do you think this is?
You want to go up into my chair? No?
Gracie found a cozy spot.
That's a good spot for Gracie. Lila, where are you going to hang out, huh? You've been sitting in my chair and now you don't want to show everybody that you've been sitting up in my chair. Oh, you're so silly. I know. I know. Are you smiling? She's smiling. Oh, Gracie. Hey, everyone. Well, it's our last day at this campsite. Taking off in the morning, but before we leave tonight, before dark, I just finished doing all the slide lube and slide out rubber seal lubing up. Sprays the mechanisms underneath, and this takes care of the jacks. This is a dry silicone spray, and the rubber seals need to stay nice and hydrated and soft so they flap in and flap out and move easily when you extend and retract your slide outs. So I was able to do that. A little bit productive after sitting around most of the day in the sunshine, which is always my first choice. So I thought I'd check in and share that tip with you guys and let you know we'll be pulling out in the morning. If you like what you're watching, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button, and then there's a little bell. Hit the bell, and every time we release a new video, you will be notified on your phone or your computer or your device. Well, here we are again, back on the road, and just left our campsite in Kentucky, headed back to Michigan. We got to be back by tomorrow. It's been a great spring break, and I think we might have one or two more little adventures to go. So stay tuned. Hey, so we're driving along and the sun's really bright, so Amy's going to try to pull the shade down while she's driving. Let's see if she can do it.
I'm going to need you to direct me and tell me where I am. I can't.
Okay, I will watch your hand. A little higher, inch out, other way out, 3 inches out, right there. Right there, right there, right there. Pull, pull. Yeah! Yay! You did it! They didn't make those shades for short people.
Everybody, not any people. Nobody could reach their arm up there while they were driving.
Well, yeah, that's true. That's awfully high.
They should be automatic.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Well, we are... No.
Well, we aren't. No.
We boondocked last night. After leaving Kentucky, we found a Walmart up in northern Indiana. Yeah. No.
Southern Indiana.
Southern Indiana?
No.
No.
Middle Indiana? In Indiana.
At least we agree on the state. yeah, so it's the next morning. We're both a little bit tired, as you can probably tell. And we're ready to take off. We're heading back. You can tell we're back in the Midwest and not in the South anymore because it's gray.
Cold,
Gray, blah. So we'll have to take us and our little tan arms back to the north and enjoy the next month until Michigan gets sun again. So thanks so much for following along. I had fun. Did you have fun?
I had fun.
Did you have fun?
I had fun. Wish it wasn't over.
Yeah, I wish it wasn't over.
But I'm ready for back to gym fun, too.
Yeah. Yep, back to the gym. All those programs are starting up again, and we're getting excited for that. So, once again, thanks so much for following. If you like what you see, please subscribe and follow us on all of our adventures. And no matter what you do, always have a safe RV journey.